High water consumption. So we get this, and we're gonna pokey holes so that it distributes the water more evenly. But at the same time, it didn't look that strong. I feel like the water would just through.
Yeah. But
Fanning the fire, fan the flames in my heart.
wow, it's actually
It's cool, yeah, I think
Yeah,
that's pretty
yeah.
cool.
Okay.
We have some
Oh.
pan fishing.
Yeah. Okay, nice.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, sure.
Oh,
Collect the water,
so collect the water.
because I'm thirsty.
Oh.
But apparently, I've heard rainwater isn't that great to drink.
No?
No.
Why?
I heard that like it like goes through like some pollution or something when it like evaporates up into the air and then it collects like some gross stuff and then it comes back down. I'm not sure though. A lot of people like maybe that's just a rumor, a theory,
Maybe because
a game theory.
Oh.
What do you think?
No, I mean, I saw a lot of videos, a lot of opinions that it's fine to use the rainwater for drinking. I mean, it's
Maybe
clean.
companies just don't want us to know.
Oh, what was that?
It looked like blood.
Yeah,
I hope it wasn't.
I don't know.
Ooh, we got an arrow cut out of the ground
Oh, it's for juice.
for
Yeah.
juice.
Okay,
I think it's
juice.
just for water.
No, I mean it's tree juice.
It's planet juice. If
Planet.
you think about it, water is really just planet juice.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
Okay,
Oh,
worms.
to make the vibration and they go. Oh, okay.
Ooh.
Gotcha.
This guy is like packing a bunch of tools to be out in the wilderness, you know? Usually you wouldn't be this prepared, I feel like.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bless you.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have a stick in the mud, in the water, and another stick. Ah, it's a trap.
Okay, trap. Okay.
To pull out the
Wow.
fish!
That's actually smart.
That's awesome!
That's smart.
I want to test
Yeah.
it so bad.
Just didn't get. He just got it off. What is? If you need more water.
Yeah! Throw your shoes away! Worth it! Oh, I guess it's
you
like for animals.
carrots or something. No, gosh.
What?
No, nothing.
Okay. So we have sticks in the ground.
It's so stupid.
Carrots. The hell are you talking about? It's a trap. It's an animal trap. To trap 5-minute crafters like
Yeah.
Archie.
What is this? I guess I know. It's some kind of
A water bag.
yeah, water bag. But you know, the thing is, there is sticky things inside.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So it might pollute
Yeah,
the water a
it's-
little bit.
So don't drink it.
Yeah.
Yes.
If you're not using it for drinking though,
Yeah.
maybe it's
for-
okay.
For yeah. Okay. So it's
Ooh,
another
this is
trap.
how to make a snare, I guess. That's cool.
What is
So that they can sell us their
the
water.
cloud companies.
Cloud companies. No, I'm talking about water companies.
Or maybe they just want to say the water companies.
Ooh, that's pretty good.
Okay.
And
So
we gotta
this-
sell. No, selfie lady.
Okay, survival hacks.
What are we gonna do? Survival hacks.
Yeah.
Try to survive her after she comes out of the water.
For your weird acting.
Yeah.
Is it
Warm and
warm?
well. No, I
Is
don't
it?
think you're.
Is
I really
it?
don't think you are warm after that.
No,
You're
it's-
wrong.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have some nice little kindling fire starter stuff. Burns for 5 hours.
Okay. Like,
Nice.
we
If it works,
can
it works.
only, yeah.
We can only
do
imagine
it, yeah.
because we're not gonna test it for 5 hours.
Yeah. I mean, it's not worth it.
No,
It's not worth
unless this video gets
Oh.
20 million likes. If it gets 20 million likes, we'll do it. Remember to like
we'll
it.
do We'll do it.
20 million likes
Yeah.
all day, baby. I think our maximum likes is something like 200,000. So 20 million likes, baby.
And we'll do this.
We'll do
weird
anything.
hack.
anything.
No, not anything.
Anything.
No.
Okay.
Kinda
Maybe?
fine. Yes. Yeah. Okay.
Alright. Why not? Before?
Before?
After?
Yeah.
I don't know why you care about looking clean in the, you know, when you're surviving.
Too
but
cold. Too cold.
too cold?
So you warm up some stone, some rocks, and now look at her. She just without anything.
Okay, so I'm poking some holes in the bottom of our cup.
And
Hot water?
Oh, I know what is this.
Ah, it's a strainer.
This is smart.
Oh, I love that. Yeah, that's awesome.
Wow.
Very smart. What a smart lady.
Yeah. Well, she found some. Okay, recycling.
Cap it up.
Oh, it's.
I mean, I do this all the time. Yeah, just consolidate
Yeah.
your space when you're throwing things away.
Yeah.
It's good for the
If you-
environment and good for you.
Yes. If you didn't know,
Now you know.
now you know.
Banana peels underground for what?
Yeah. Because.
Oh, it's a plant.
Yeah.
Nice. Wow.
Interesting. Wow.
I always wanted to like learn how to do hunting stuff, but just never got around to it. You know. I was more into hunting in video games.
Yeah.
Yeah, like Assassin's Creed 3.
So, but why you wanted this in real life? For what? What is that?
I don't know. I always thought it looked cool, like just be a survivor. I don't know if I could actually kill anything, but I would like to try to survive.
To be prepared for zombie attacks.
Yeah, yeah. I think every guy especially, and probably ladies, has the internal need for there to be just a zombie apocalypse and try to survive.
Yeah, maybe.
To find out, you know, could I? Could I survive? Guys, let us know in the comments. Could you survive?
Or would you like to know? Would
Yeah.
you survive or no?
And ladies, let us know the same thing.
Yes,
I'm
yes.
sorry for leaving you out.
Everyone.
Okay. We have a way to make fire. Actually, I used one of those. It's awesome. You just have the flint and you awesome. You feel like a badass. A badass.
Yeah. I have the bracelet with the same thing.
Nice. That's cool. Okay, so we're making like an underground oven type
Wow,
thing.
I would try this.
That's amazing, yeah.
I'm so hungry now.
How does that work without air though? Like airflow?
I mean, it's simple. I mean, there is a lot of technique where you don't need the air. You just warm up the
Thing beforehand and then trap it. Yeah.
and it's everything in juice. So it's
Nice. That's cool too.
so we just warm it up the place and
And our
The
chicken
moment of
is
truth.
ready.
that chicken.
It looks pretty good.
Wow.
A little dirty.
Yeah, but who cares? Well,
You can eat.
I
Tree.
would try this.
Yeah?
I think so. I think it could be helpful. I mean, if you survive.
If you have to survive and it has some nutrients. I didn't know it had any nutrients though, a tree. That's cool. Natural toothbrush.
Yeah. But at least it's useful.
It's cold in here.
So, this could work, to be honest.
Yeah?
Yeah, we filmed once and we tested this and I felt new. I mean, I was put it in my jacket all this time.
Nice. Okay, we have a stick. It looks like a hunting stick, but I'm guessing it's not. Oh. Ah, it's a torch.
Torch for
fire.
Okay.
Nice. I wonder how long that lasts, actually. Ooh. Ah! Poor chickadee.
So, this is the fishing? Chicken?
For chicken fishing. Yeah, I think it is for chicken fishing.
What a waste of chicken.
I also want to try this. It is a waste of chicken. It's like, yeah, I'm gonna ruin my chicken for like much less meat.
Yeah. I don't know how it would work. Even if you don't like chicken, you know, but you have some.
I feel like you can't really be a chooser when you're in the wild trying to survive. You just have to eat stuff.
There is no time for
Chicken,
Yeah.
rabbit, a friend.
I'm scary.
It's okay. We're not in the wild. We're not in the wild yet. Yeah.
I will not fly with you on the same plane.
Okay. All right, we have some tree sap heating up.
Okay, it's like it's like a glue.
Natural glue. I don't know about that, but okay. I don't know if it's gonna be stable enough to use an axe, but
with a piece of fabric, why not?
maybe.